responses. We want to find out what is the effect of the auxins on the shoot system and the root system. The auxin causes elongation and growth of cells. This happens in the shoot system. Yani the auxins, when they are in the stem and the leaves, they always cause elongation. They make the stem longer. While on the other hand, the auxins cause to stop elongation. This happens in the shoot system. So the effect of auxins on the shoot system is make them longer, and on the root system they make them, yani they stop the elongation. Okay, let us now compare some facts of the auxins in the shoot and the root system. Now, we said auxins in the shoot system, they always move to the shaded part. They always move to the shaded part, and they stimulate the cells to grow longer. These two things are done by the auxins in the shoot system. For example, when the sun comes from the top of the plant, okay, so the light comes from everywhere. Always the auxins, they are secreted and made at the tip of the stem. And we said that always auxins, they move to the shaded part. So when there are a lot of auxins, the presence of the sun, it stimulates them to go to the shaded side. So they will be distributed in equal side all over the stem. That's why the stem will go up straight. Okay? On the other hand, if the sun is on the side, مثلا, it's on the right side, the auxins will go to the shaded part. So it will go to the opposite part. And what does it cause in the shoot system? It causes the stem or the cells to grow faster. So this part will grow more, while this part will grow less. That's why this shape will happen to the stem, because it turns to the sunlight. Here it's the same. The light comes from the top. The auxins move to the shaded part. If the light comes from the right, the auxins comes to the shaded part and will grow to the direction of the sun. This picture shows what happens, why they are directed positive phototropism, because the auxins goes to the shaded part and make it elongate more. For the auxins in the root system, they have a different job. They move towards gravity and they stop the growing of cells. How does this happen? If the root is horizontally, the auxins will move towards gravity and they will stop this part from elongating, while this part, the other part, will grow faster. That's why it will it will move towards the gravity. Okay, so which is called positive geotropism. Now at last we will talk about the uses of auxins. Auxins are used to make herbicides. I'm sure you have heard about pesticides, are chemicals to kill germs that kill the plants, while herbicides are chemicals that kills plants and often contains the plant's hormones. How are they useful? Now, the 2,4-D herbicide is one of the most well-known herbicide. This is written in your book. Okay, so a herbicide is a chemical that can kill, أو بيسموهم weed killers. How can we use them? Or how do they work? First, the leaves absorbs the chemicals. The herbicides encourage the leaves to grow rapidly. The leaves will grow fast and the plant will not be able to supply enough nutrients for the new cells, so they die. Now these are used for the plants that are really unneeded that grows beside the grass plants, or beside the wheat, or beside any type of crops. They want to kill these plants, so they put some herbicides. As you can see, these plants were treated by herbicides اللي هم auxins, and they make the plant die very fast. Look at these plant leaves. Okay, till here احنا our lesson was till page 258. I will send you a homework, so please answer it and send it on Class Dojo. Thank you.